Hello everyone, welcome to the Why Bootstrap video. In this video, I'm going to cover why I should use a Bootstrap for the current web project. What are the advantages of the Bootstrap? Okay, let's start. The first one, Bootstrap is a open source front-end framework for the fast development. Okay, how it decreases the development time? What is the magic? There is no magic in the programming, but observe, in the Bootstrap provides what? Built-in or predefined common UI components for any web application. So you no need to write the code. All the predefined built-in components are there. You can use it or you can customize according to your project. You can customize according to your project. That is a beauty. Sir, can you name some of them like progress bar, like pagination, table styling, modal, likewise image slider? There are so many things are available. We can discuss in the coming sessions. As well as it supports mobile first and responsive layout. Sir, what does that mean? Means the same website should display same way across all devices, but the same source code. That is a beauty. The same web application code will display same UI across all devices. So how you are going to achieve this one, sir? You no need to write a lot of logic. By default, Bootstrap internally, the design itself is what, sir? Responsive layout. The name itself is what? Responsive layout. Response according to the current available height and width. Advantages. The first one, browser compatibility, means all the browser related CSS problems will be handled by your Bootstrap itself. You no need to write extra code to support all the different browsers for your web application. It is provided by the Bootstrap itself. Faster development, sir. Why it is faster? As I told earlier, you no need to write the code from the scratch. You can directly use in your application. Predefined components are available. Good for the development teams where they lack design or UI skills. Easy to learn. You no need to have a good UI related knowledge, means CSS and JavaScript. It is easy to learn and easy to use also. Responsive layout. As I told earlier, the same source code will be used for different websites. Okay, this is about why Bootstrap and the advantages of the Bootstrap. In the next session, we can discuss about the installation. Thank you.